Hi there, it's Amity here. I just wanted to show you some of the handcrafted items I make. With the ascension symptoms going on lately, a lot of us have been waking up with a lot of head pressure, and I wanted to show you I do make a headache relief roll-on. In the mornings, what I do, if I feel a lot of head pressure, I just add a little bit of my roll-on to my temples, my forehead. I take a cleansing breath of the essential oils through my nose, and then I roll a little on there. Then I roll a little bit into my wrists. Within 15 to 20 minutes, I find I get a lot of relief and a lot of more clarity. Lately, it's been hard functioning within the 3D realm, and this just allows you to relax, take away your anxiety and your head pressure and dizziness and anything else that goes on with it. I do carry a wider range of roll-ons as well as my salves. I handcrafted the sciatica anti-inflammatory massage oil, the pain relief, and just click the link in my bio to get over to my store to find some relief. Happy Ascension.